The members of the media, colleagues, Nisambula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. Welcome to the Ministry of Agriculture, and thank you for accepting our invitation at short notice to join us for this important announcement. We just wanted to share with the media and through you inform the public of the Ministry of Agriculture's Agriculture Show program for 2017. For your information, the Agriculture Show is an annual event of the Ministry of Agriculture, and the aim of the show is to promote agriculture in the economy and in the country, to showcase the contribution of the sector, and also encourage more farmers to venture into farming. We also take this opportunity to promote livestock and crop production for smallholder farms and commercial farmers around the country. It also gives us an opportunity to strengthen our relationship with our stakeholders, civil society organizations, NGOs, business houses, and regional and international organizations that work with the government to promote agriculture in the country. And quite importantly, it gives us an opportunity to also acknowledge and recognize the contribution of farmers in the sector. And one of the things that we do as part of this show is to award farmers, some farmers that have excelled in their respective fields. The theme for this year's agriculture show is Climate Smart Agriculture for Fiji, and this is an appropriately chosen theme. Basically, the ministry wants people to understand and recognize the impact of climate change on agriculture. And through this program and through this theme, we will be promoting the pillars of climate smart agriculture. And this include basically sustainability, resilience, adaptability, and mitigation. And the theme is also in line with Fiji's role as the incoming president of COP23, which will be held later this year in Bonn, Germany. So the program for the show has been organized at a divisional level. This will allow more people to participate in the program. Farmers around the country, farmers and the public around the country will be able to participate in this program quite well because we are holding it at a divisional level. And this is the third year that the ministry is holding this program at a divisional level. Allows the farmers, especially in outer areas, to participate in this program with us. The show will be held in North at the Subrel Park from 24 to 26 May. So later this month, the show will be held at Subrel Park in Lambasa, and then the show will come around to the Central Division, where it will be held from 21 to 23 June at Syria Park in Nusori. And in terms of the actual program, some of the major highlights that will be included in this year's agriculture show is a farmers' village, where we will allow farmers to bring some of their products and sell it and display it to the public, and then also hopefully get some income from this. There will be a lot of displays. There will be a live bee-man, cow milking, tree propagating, and other demonstrations at the site, a display of live animals, oratory contests, and as we explained, in order to recognize our farmers and their contributions to the sector, we will also be having farmer awards at each of these two venues. The event is free, and we encourage people to participate actively in this program with us. So we invite the public to visit us at these two shows in Lambasa from 24 to 26 May and in Nosori from 21 to 23 June. So we hope that we will have a very good turnout at the show. At the same time, we would like to acknowledge the support of our sponsors and other stakeholders that will make this show a reality for us. and several business houses have come forward. I would like to take this opportunity to thank these businesses for their support, and for those who are contemplating still to work with us, I kindly request that they move on this quickly so that we can have a very good show. Um, Unfortunately, because of budget constraints, we only have a show in the North and in the Central Division this year. We have a total of about 65,000 registered farmers, more than 65,000 registered farmers, but we hope that a lot of them will be able to come. So some of them, because this program is run for 3 days at each venue, we are giving everybody a lot of opportunity to be able to at least attend 1 day of the show. This is an agriculture show, so we want the farmers to come out and experience what the ministry is promoting in terms of our own services, what services are available through the ministry. So this is also an opportunity for them to understand and understand the services that the ministry is providing, but also to see what is also happening in terms of some leading developments in agriculture, both on the livestock side and on crop production side. So with those few words, we hope we will have a very successful agriculture show 2017, and we look forward to the public's participation in our program. Thank you.